Hello, welcome back to my studio. Well, this is not a video about painting. There's no tips, there's no painting demonstrations, but it is a message for you, a subscriber to my YouTube channel. And that message is thank you. Thank you for subscribing to this channel. It has now gone over the 100,000 subscriber mark, and apparently that's quite a milestone in the world of YouTube. And that's not something I ever expected. When I really kicked off this channel about 4 or 5 years ago, I just did it to share painting tips with you, whoever was prepared to sit down and watch one of my videos. Well, time really does fly by, and apparently there's now over 500 videos on my channel, and I have a lot of you who join me almost every week and let me know how you've enjoyed the videos that I've put up. I am inspired by that. I keep up those videos because you like them. The channel is here because of you, and I hope to be bringing you more videos for years to come. So keep watching, I'll keep making videos for you, and we'll have a good time learning about our favorite subject, painting. All right, well, that's it. All I have to say is big thank you. And of course, I've spoken and rambled on a bit, but you get the idea. I am grateful for all of your subscriptions and the time you spend watching my videos as well. With that, I'm going to leave you now, and I'll probably see you in a week's time with another painting video. So until then, cheers for now.